Slide 119, Lesson 7, Qal Imperfect Future Tense. Now we'll have a look at the plural table for the Qal Imperfect Future Tense. So the word for they will guard, when we're talking to men, is yishmaru. Yishmaru. And if we want to say they will guard when speaking of women, the word is tishmorna. Tishmorna. And if we want to say you will guard to men, we say tishmaru. Tishmaru. And if we want to say you will guard to women, we say tishmorna. Just the same as they will guard. Tishmorna. How do you tell them apart? Context. Context. And the final one, we will guard. Nishmor. We will guard. Nishmor. So we have they will guard. Yishmaru. They will guard to women. Tishmorna. Or of women. You will guard to men. Tishmaru. Tishmaru. You will guard to women. Tishmorna. And we will guard, nishmor. So that's the third person masculine plural, third person feminine plural, second person masculine plural, second person feminine plural, and first person common plural. So let's have a look at some plural examples. First one, velo yilbashu id adret sa'ar. Velo yilbashu adiret sa'ar. Velo and not yilbashu, they shall be clothed or wear adiret sa'ar, clothing of hair or goat hair. Neither shall they wear a rough garment or goat-haired garment. Velo yilbashu adiret sa'ar. So this word yilbashu, translated they shall wear, is the third person masculine plural. This one here. And you notice that the dots and dash, the vowels are just the same as here. Okay, the next example. Yishmu anavim. Yishmu anavim. The word yishmu, the root here, three-letter root, is shema, which means hear. And yishmu means they will hear. They will hear. Anavim, the poor. Poor. The humble, they shall hear. So the words are swapped around here, and in English when we translate it, the humble or the lowly or the poor, they will hear. Yishmu anavim. So yishmu is a third person masculine plural. This one here. Okay, third example. Ushnot reshaim. Ushnot reshaim. Tikzorna. Tikzorna. Ushnot. And, the vav here means and, it's a shurek, it's a u sounding, a u sounding vav, and it has the same meaning as this vav here, it means and this word here is the plural for year. The word for year is shana, and the word for years is shanot. So the year and the years of the Reshaim, the wicked. Resha means wicked, and Reshaim is the plural. And the years of the wicked, Ushanot Reshaim, Tikzorna. Tikzorna. The word Tikzorna, the root here is this three-letter root, 3 letters here, Kitsia, which means to cut, as in cutting down the wheat in the harvest, the barley, or the tears, cutting down the tears. It means to cut. So Tikzorna means you will cut. So, and the years of the wicked you will cut, or cut short. So, as it's translated here, but the years of the wicked, they shall be shortened. They shall be shortened. So, they shall be shortened is this third person feminine plural here, Tikzorna. This one here. Ushanot Reshaim Tikzorna. But the years of the wicked, they shall be shortened. Again, the word for and has just been translated here, but it's still joining this sentence with what's going on previously in the sentence. It's not listed here. Okay, the next example. Yada layatid tishlachna. Yada. Yada. Her hands, layatid, to the pig. La means to. Yatid is pig. Tishlachna, she will send. Tishlachna. It's this form here. And that's from Judges chapter 5. About Jael. She put her hand to the nail. Yada layatid tishlachna. Her hand, so yad is hand, yada is her hand, layatid, to the nail, tishlachna, she will send, or she will put her hand. Yada layatid tishlachna. And that is a second person feminine plural. Now, it doesn't have quite the same vowels here. It has a patach here under the lamed, and this is called a lamed guttural. It's got this chet here means that this verb is a weak verb, and that changes the vowels. So we'll discuss all of this in lesson 8 when we look at weak verbs. But just for your information now, that's why that doesn't have quite the same dots and dashes as this table. But you can still see the basic form there is the same, has the same consonants at the front and end to denote the second person feminine plural. And that's all you really need to know. Okay, this example, lama tikrana li naami. Lama tikrana li naami. Lama means why. Tikrana, kara, the root here, kuf resh aleph, means call, and tikrana means you will call, and li means to me, naami. Why then call ye me Naomi? Naomi, by the way, means pleasant. So lama, why? Tikrana, call ye me Naomi or Naomi. Why do you call me Naomi? And that's a second person feminine plural. Again, this word kara is a a weak verb. And again, we'll discuss weak verbs in lesson 8, but it changes the vowels here, so it's not quite the same looking vowels as here or here. So that's why, because it's a weak verb. We'll discuss that later. Alright, next example. V'ech nignov m'beit adonecha. V'ech nignov m'beit adonecha. V means and, v'ech and how. V'ech nignov means steal, and it's this form here obviously. And how will we steal m'beit from the house adonecha of your Lord? How then should we steal out of thy Lord's house? Genesis 44:8. So this is when the sons of Jacob are before Joseph, and he set them up, and they're saying, and how can we steal from thy Lord's house? So this word nignov, should we steal, is the first person common plural. The final example, va'anachnu nikrot itzim min halebanon. Va'anachnu nikrot itzim min halebanon. Well, this word here, vav, this letter here means and this word here, anachnu, means we. And we, va'anachnu. And we saw this in the pronouns. This is listed in the pronouns lesson. Va'anachnu nikrot, cut. We were cut. Itzim, we will cut. Itzim, wood. Min, from. Halebanon, from the Lebanon. And we cut trees or wood from the Lebanon. And we will cut wood out of the Lebanon. Va'anachnu nikrot, we will cut, first person common plural again here, we will cut wood from the Lebanon. Okay, so the word for wood here is this one here, itzim. Alright, so that's all for the plural examples of the Qal Imperfect or future tense verb form.